Grow strawberries anywhere. Plastic bottle gardening. Hey there, green thumbs! Ever dreamed of fresh, juicy strawberries right outside your door, even if you live in a tiny apartment? Well, get ready to turn those dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of strawberry gardening using something you probably already have: plastic bottles. Growing strawberries in plastic bottles is a game changer for urban gardeners. It's an incredibly space-saving method, perfect for balconies, patios, or even windowsills. Plus, it's a fantastic DIY project that's both easy and budget-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is also a great way to recycle and reuse plastic bottles, turning waste into something beautiful and productive. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own delicious strawberries from a garden you created yourself. Before we get started, let's gather everything we need. Don't worry, the list is short and sweet. We'll need a few empty plastic bottles, a sharp knife or scissors, a marker, some potting mix, and of course, strawberry plants. Let's take a closer look at each item. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Remember, safety first when using sharp tools. Here's what you'll need. Plastic bottles. 1 liter or 2 liter bottles work great. Make sure they're clean and dry. Sharp knife or scissors for cutting the bottles. Adult supervision is a must for younger gardeners. Marker to mark where you'll be cutting. Potting mix. Use a mix specifically formulated for strawberries, or a general-purpose potting mix will do. Strawberry plants. You can use runners, baby plants that sprout from the mother plant, or small established plants. Optional, string or wire, if you want to hang your strawberry bottles. Optional, fertilizer, for an extra boost of nutrients. All right, let's get our hands dirty. We're going to walk through the process of transforming those plastic bottles into mini strawberry havens. Follow along, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process. Gardening should be relaxing and rewarding. First, we need to prepare the bottles for planting. There are a couple of ways to do this, so choose the one that works best for you. Option 1. Side planting. This involves cutting rectangular or circular holes along the side of the bottle. These holes will be where you plant your strawberry plants. Option 2. Top planting. This method involves cutting the bottle in half and inverting the top half to create a funnel. This is great for a single strawberry plant per bottle. Safety. First, always be extremely careful when using a knife or scissors. If you're a younger gardener, ask an adult for help with this step. Once you've made your cuts, it's time to prepare the bottle for planting. This involves creating drainage and securing any inverted tops. Drainage holes. Poke several small holes in the bottom of the bottle. This is crucial for preventing waterlogging and keeping your strawberry plants healthy. Securing the top, if using option 2. If you've inverted the top half of the bottle, secure it to the bottom half using tape, glue, or by wedging it in place. Make sure it's stable. Now for the fun part, filling the bottle with soil. Use your chosen potting mix and gently fill the bottle, leaving a little space at the top. Don't pack the soil too tightly, as this can restrict root growth. Gently tap the bottle to settle the soil. Carefully remove your strawberry plants from their containers and gently loosen the roots. Now, it's time to plant them in your prepared bottle. Side planting. Place the strawberry plants in the holes you cut, ensuring the roots are covered with soil. Top planting. Plant the strawberry plant in the inverted top half of the bottle, just like you would in a regular pot. Once planted, gently water the strawberries to help them settle in. Now that your strawberries are planted, it's important to provide them with the care they need to thrive. This includes proper watering, sunlight, and optional fertilizing. Remember, a little attention goes a long way in ensuring a bountiful harvest. Water your strawberry plants when the soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to check the soil moisture every day or two. Strawberries need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day to produce delicious fruit. Place your bottle garden in a sunny location, such as a balcony, patio, or windowsill. If you don't have enough natural sunlight, you can supplement with a grow light. Fertilizing can give your strawberry plants an extra boost of nutrients, leading to bigger and better fruit. Use a fertilizer specifically formulated for strawberries, following the instructions on the package. Be careful not to over-fertilize, as this can damage the plants. If you've chosen to hang your strawberry bottles, make sure they are securely attached to a sturdy support. This can add a decorative touch to your garden and save even more space. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your own homegrown strawberries. You'll know they're ready when they are fully red and slightly soft to the touch. Gently pluck the strawberries from the plant, being careful not to damage the surrounding fruit. Congratulations, you've successfully grown strawberries in plastic bottles. Now it's your turn. Don't be afraid to give this project a try. It's a fun, rewarding, and sustainable way to enjoy fresh strawberries no matter where you live. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.